Dorico 6 Pro closes the gap on one of the biggest limitations of condensing since it was introduced in Dorico 3, handling music for players with more than one instrument. Let me show you. This is very straightforward. You can now freely write for a player that's holding more than one instrument, and when you turn on condensing, any of those instruments that would be able to be written on the same staff as others will do so. The instrumental part remains unaffected, but any full score layouts that have condensing enabled will try to write their music on staves with similar instruments using the prevailing notation options. If you have multiple players holding multiple matching instruments with music that can be condensed onto a single staff, it can even be possible for this to happen mid-system with an instrument change, such as in this example. This behavior is enabled by default for all new projects, so simply switching on condensing will apply to doubling players. However, we've added a layout option to control this and left it off for existing projects so that your older scores are not changed when you open them in Dorico 6 Pro. So to use the feature in an existing project, go ahead and allow instrument changes on condensed staves. If you have music for doubling players that's not condensing, check that it's not the case that just one of those players has an instrument change on the same system. If all players have matching instrument changes, that's fine. Otherwise, you're just not going to be able to consolidate the different instruments. If it's still not condensing, then also check the layout options for instrument changes on the players page, particularly the instrument transition position. Dorico might be considering the staff to be belonging to an instrument, even if it doesn't have music on that system. And that's condensing for doubling players in Dorico 6 Pro. Please do watch our other videos and get up to speed with all the new features we've added in Dorico 6. We hope there's something for everyone. I'm Anthony Hughes. Thanks for watching.